Full name. I, having freely contested for this office,
having freely contested for this office,
to which I am about to take an oath,
for which I am about to take an oath,
or having accepted to serve in this office,
or having accepted to serve in this office,
having willingly accepted to perform the duties and functions of this office,
having willingly accepted to perform the duties and functions of this office,
shall obey, protect, preserve,
and execute
the letter and the spirit of the Constitution of Tegloma
of the Constitution of Tegloma
organization, the rules and regulations thereof, faithfully and to the best of my ability, without any mental reservation, biases, prejudice, purpose of evasion, work for the peace, progress, and prosperity of Tegloma. I shall attend all meetings, respect all my fellow Tegloma members, attend all federation functions, pay all my dues on time, meet all my other obligations to the organization, and to my fellow Tegloma members, from this day forth, so help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.